learning, but most of the time it will be online only, and we'll be providing face-to-face top class certification, global level certification to the students. It is very important. So university is preparing students from day one, and we have got programs, especially masters program, where you can sit at home and study those programs online also, either on weekends or modular programs, and upgrade your qualification. So thank you very much for giving us this great opportunity, and really we are blessed and honored to have such a great participant, those who are very serious and preparing for civil services from Labasana and City University. I hope that you will do all hard work with this program is not easy. A lot of sincerity and hard work is required. And I want to see a few students from your side be a civil services servants after 1 or 2 years. So I wish you all the best. God bless you. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your words of wisdom with us. And aspirants, now we will discuss exclusively for civil services coaching and how we would be proceeding in the coming year, right? So let me just share a PPT with you people so that you can understand the things properly, and in the last we can have a doubt session with you people, because we don't want that even a single doubt of yours left. So basically, the unique initiative taken by City University, Mr. Sudeep Roy Burman and Labasana IS Academy, and we are very thankful to the visionary management of City University and our stalwart, one of the youngest Vice Chancellor of India, Dr. Harsh Sadavarti. Under his guidance, you would be learning a lot, and all the others, faculty members, experts would be providing you the guidance, and we want that your dream should come true within a year. We would be providing, yes, right. So basically, we would be starting the civil services preparation with the foundation level. So let us first understand that what is this exam, which is commonly known as civil services examination. So basically, this exam, the civil services examination, is conducted by Union Public Service Commission. So Union Public Service Commission is a constitutional body. It is a constitutional body, meaning that it is established by the Indian Constitution itself. It was established by the Indian Constitution itself, and this body, UPSC or Union Public Service Commission, this body regularly conduct exams, and one of the exam is civil service examination, which they conduct annually. Okay, every year they conduct this exam, and they take this exam in 3 stages, right? They take this exam in 3 stages. The most important stage I would say is the preliminary examination, right? So in preliminary examination, there are 2 papers, General Study Paper 1 and General Study Paper 2. In General Study Paper 1, there are 100 questions, and in General Study Paper 2, there are 80 questions. Here, each question is of 2 mark. Here, each question is of 2.5 mark, right? So basically, in General Study Paper 1, you will, you would be judged on the basis of general study subjects, for example, history, geography, polity, economics, environment, science and technology, and current affairs, right? And on paper 2, this paper is generally known as CSAT, that is Civil Services Aptitude Test. This is qualifying paper. You have to secure only 67 marks out of 200, and in paper 1 you have to secure, right, I would say 110 to 120. Generally last year the cutoff was 98, before that the cutoff was 98, right. Earlier also the cutoff was 110, 115, right. So ये क्या है, अलग अलग जो कट ऑफ है. जस्ट लेट मी नो कि वेदर जो प्रेजेंटेशन आपको शो हो रही है या अभी नहीं हो रही. जस्ट गिव मी अ सेकंड. Yes, it is visible now. Right. So I was saying there are three stages. There are three stages. One is preliminary, second is the main stage, and third is the interview. So see, preliminary examination में there are two papers. One is general study paper 1 and paper 2. In paper 1 there are 100 questions, and in paper 2 there are 80 questions. Paper 1, which consists of 100 questions, each question carry 2 marks, and where paper 2, general study paper 2, which is commonly known as CSAT, Civil Services Aptitude Test, there are 3 subjects: quantitative aptitude, reasoning, and English. These are the 3 papers. The thing is, this paper is of qualifying nature. You have to secure only 67 marks out of 200, right? You have to secure only 67 marks, and the cutoff for the mains would be based only on the paper 1. पेपर 1 है, इसके ऊपर ये सारी चीज़ क्या करेगी, डिपेंड करेगी. सो जो पेपर 1 है, राइट, पेपर 1 में देयर आर 100 क्वेश्चंस, ईच क्वेश्चन कैरी 2.5 मार्क्स. अलॉन्ग विद दैट देयर इज अ नेगेटिव मार्किंग. ठीक है, इसमें क्या है, नेगेटिव मार्किंग भी है. ठीक है, नेगेटिव मार्किंग कितनी होगी, 0.67 मार्क्स. ठीक है, और आई वुड से 1/3 क्या है इसमें, नेगेटिव मार्किंग है. ठीक है, वी विल डिस्कस दीज थिंग्स इन मोर डिटेल्स in other lectures as well, but now just I am giving you a brief idea that the exam for which you are preparing for a year, then you must know each and everything about that exam, who is conducting that exam, how they are conducting, why they are conducting, in which what is their pattern, right? So we are discussing the pattern of the examination. So when you would clear the preliminary stage, then you would move to main stage. At main stage there are 9 papers. At main stage there are 9 papers. Paper 1 is essay paper, which is of 250 marks. You have to write 2 essays, right? There would be 4 essays in part A, and you have to choose one. And in part B there would be 4 options, and you have to write an essay on one of the given topic. Okay, and it would vary from 1000 to 1200 words, right? You can write in between 1000 to 1200 words, right? So basically you have to write 2 essays, for which, right, they will be saying the 250 marks. There are 4 general study papers: paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, paper 4, right? Each carries 250 marks. Each paper carries 250 marks, right? The thing is, यहाँ पे the preliminary stage, it is of objective nature. It is of objective nature, meaning they would be judging your performance on the basis of MCQs, multiple choice question. See, at preliminary stage, you will have a question, okay, followed by the 4 options A, B, C, D, and you have to choose one of the option, right? And if you tick the right answer, then you will get the 2 marks. Otherwise, they will deduct or minus 0.67 marks, right? So this is the weightage for the preliminary stage. But now see, every year around 5 lakh aspirants appear in this examination. Every year 5 lakh aspirants appear, almost 5 lakh. So there would be a tough competition, a very tough competition, because the selection ratio or the percentage is very, very less, right? So for civil services mains, only 12 to 13,000 aspirants would be appearing, and they would be appearing in 9 papers. They would be appearing in 9 papers. Here they would be judging your language paper as well, but language paper is also of qualifying nature. For English, you have to secure only 75 marks, and for regional language, you have to secure only 75 marks. There are many exceptions for the northeast area that we will discuss in a separate lecture when I will tell you the strategy for the language paper, right? So there are 7 other papers. These papers are of qualifying nature. These 7 papers: essay paper, 4 general study paper, and 1 optional paper, right? So here paper 1 includes history, geography and society. Paper 2, polity, Indian constitution, international relation. Paper 3, economy, science and technology, environment, security. Paper 4, ethics, integrity and aptitude. So basically this is the exam pattern, and after clearing the main stage, you would appear in the interview. Interview carries 275 marks. Okay, for UPSC it carries 275 marks, right? So basically if we see, अगर हम ये देखें कि कैसे कैसे ये फाइनल कट ऑफ कैसे निकलती है, द थिंग इज 750 marks for mains after excluding the language paper, and 275 marks for the interview. 20-25 marks they would be making your final cutoff or the rank. Okay, these marks would decide your rank. These marks would decide whether you are in or you are out, right? So whosoever get the highest marks would be All India rank 1. Who get less marks than All India rank 1 would get the All India rank 2, and so on. All India rank 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, right? But this is not the right time to think about the services or think about the privileges, etc. So these are the list of services. Now you have seen the pattern: prelims, mains and interview. Now have a glance of the list of services. So there are 3 categories of services. One is All India services. There are 3 All India services. First first All India service is the IAS, Indian Administrative Service. Second All India service is the Indian Forest Service. Third All India service is the Indian Police Service. Indian Police Service, right? So then comes the Group A services. These are some of the Group A services. For example, Indian Civil Account Service, Indian Defence Account Service, Indian Information Service, Indian Postal Service, okay, Indian Revenue Service, IRS, Income Tax, etc. And then there are Group B services, Armed Forces Headquarters Civil Service, Delhi, Andaman, ठीक है, इसको डेनिस भी बोलते हैं, एंड दिल्ली, अंडमान निकोबार आइलैंड, लक्षद्वीप, दमन एंड दीव, दादरा नागर पुलिस सर्विस, ठीक है, एंड सो ऑन. So there are three categories. One is All India Service, second is Group A services, and then the Group B services. And the most chosen services are IAS, Indian Administrative Service, Indian Police Service, Indian Revenue Service, and Indian Foreign Service, right? So these are the most chosen services, right? So this was a brief introduction regarding the exam. Now our intention of today's session is to provide you an orientation regarding the civil services examination. This is the first point. Second thing, that what is the roadmap to clear IAS in your very first attempt, right? So basically there are three levels of preparation. First is NEEV. NEEV means the foundation level, right? So here you will, try to read and understand the NCERTs. NCERTs, these are the class 6 to 12th books, okay, generally used in CBSE schools, right? So basically these NCERTs, okay, will provide you with the foundation, or it will clear your basic concepts, okay, which you might have forgotten, okay. So basically it will create a foundation of you. It will make you aware regarding the basic concepts, be it economy, be it geography, be it polity, be it environment or science and technology, right? So it will create a foundation stone for you people, and along with that, at foundation level we will focus on the previous year question papers. Now this is very important. So we will see around last 8 to 9 years paper, especially after 2013, because UPSC changed the pattern in 2013 a lot. Okay, so many changes were made in 2013. So previous year papers after 2013 to 2020 are very, very important, right? So this will give you an idea that how UPSC is asking question for past 7-8 years, how they are changing the pattern every year, and what is actually they are demanding, right? So what is their ultimate aim? Okay, so this is very important. By seeing the previous year question papers, you will understand the demand of the UPSC, and then you can focus on your studies, right? Third point here is that we will provide you with the foundation classes. In the foundation classes, you will understand the concepts, the basic concepts, okay, without which you cannot proceed further, or without which it would be very difficult for you people to understand the newspapers or the current affairs or the everything going on in the polity, geography or economics field, right? Fourth pillar here would be of CSAT, that we will provide you the classes on civil services aptitude test, so that you can have a good faith, right? You should have a good belief in yourself that you can compete with other aspirants who have medical background or technical background, even if you are from humanities background, still you can score very good in quantitative aptitude section or reasoning section or the English section. Even if it is qualifying that you have to secure only 67 marks out of 200, but still, okay, we would be starting the CSAT classes from the very beginning, so that you should not feel that these topics are very difficult to understand. Along with that, we will have a detailed study of our syllabus, the syllabus provided by the UPSC itself. See, UPSC provided us a very well defined syllabus. They have given us the topics which we will divide into subtopics as per the need of the exam, right? So here you should behave like an advocate, okay? Advocate, वकील की तरह behave करना, you have to behave like a advocate. What does advocate do? Basically, first of all, he or she would understand the case itself. So all the details of the case is provided in the syllabus. So the most important step in the beginning is our syllabus, right? You have to understand the syllabus very well, and then we will make your foundation, and this foundation would be based on 4 pillars: NCERTs, previous year question papers, foundation classes, and the CSAT. After this, right, we will focus on the advanced level, which we call Nirantar, right? Here we would advise you to read some of the standard books. We will provide you, or we will clear your concepts using the advanced classes. Now, what would be the motive of advanced classes? If you understood NCERTs well, then we will further build a structure on it. We will build a structure on your foundation, and now you would be able to understand the newspapers as well, that what is going on and why it is going on in the world, right? So first of all, you will understand the concepts. For example, the repo rate, the reverse repo rate, right? The GDP, GNP, okay, fundamental rights, directive principle of state policy, etc. Okay, this you will understand at the foundation level. After that, we will provide you the advanced classes after the foundation classes, so that now you would be able to go in a more depth, and you can link the concept with the current affairs, with the surroundings or whatever is going on in the world, right? So this is the advanced level where you will read some standard books along with advanced classes and current affair classes, and then you will practice, right? You will practice, you will have some question banks as well. After this level, after the advanced level, when you are very well versed with the concepts, you are very well versed with the current affairs, you have practiced, but now this is the time for the revision again, okay, which we will do at the ultimate level, right? For revision, we have designed so many modules for your revision, and then we will have the full length test series. The full length test series would be for general studies, civil services aptitude test, and the current affairs part, right? Here you would be able to judge your performance in general studies, in CSAT and current affairs as well, so that you would be very confident when you would be appearing in any exam, right? Be it UPSC or state PCS or even the other competitive exams of the government, right? So this is our strategy, that we will start with the foundation level, whose 4 pillars are there, and then there would be advanced level where we have other 4 pillars, and finally we will do the ultimate thing, that would be revision and the test series, right? Revision is the most important thing in this journey. So this is your roadmap, that is classes by the Labasana IAS, then NCERTs, standard book reading, newspaper, okay. Optional you would study on your own, right? If in future, if we have any program, then we can provide you optional classes as well on paid or complimentary basis. Then we will do the revision, test series, and finally you will get a very good All India rank, right? So this is the way how we will proceed. So what you will get under Udaan for IAS program? First of all, we will comprehensively cover the syllabus, and this syllabus would be covered by the best resources and by the best mentors of India. Second, for answer writing program, I already told you that mains stage carries 750 marks and interview carries just 275 marks. So instead of watching the interview videos on YouTube, you should focus first on the reading and revising skills, and then you should practice on the answer writing. And to evaluate your answers, we have made a very unique strategy. We have developed a 12 indicator approach, that we would be checking your answer depending on the 12 indicators. So when you write 20 questions, we will analyze your each questions on the basis of 12 indicators, and this will help you to score very well in your mains examination, right? So next thing is that there would be weekly test, but for the now, earlier we had made plan for offline session as well, but now these tests would only be in online manner only, right? And along with that, we will help you in daily answer writing practice and daily news analysis, and for practice of current affairs, you will get the daily quiz, right? Along with that, you will get the emotional intelligence classes, which will help you to provide emotional stability, right? It will improve your EQ and IQ as well. Ethics, integrity, aptitude classes are part of your syllabus. It is given in GS General Study Paper 4, but we will cover ethics, integrity and aptitude classes in such a way that you can implement or you can take a decision, okay, using these concepts in your real life as well. Along with that, we will help you with the geography part as well. We would be covering the whole syllabus of geography, but along with that, we would be help you in maps, in regions and in other aspects of geography as well. We would be providing you the practical case studies which are in news. This will help you to better understand, and you can provide a very good answer in your mains examination as well, and this will also help you to provide a stand, right, when you are justifying any of your stand in your interview. So basically, this would be a very good part of Labasana IAS, that we are updating our study material or data, on regular basis. So this will help you that it will save your much of the time, and you can focus on the other aspects of this journey. And finally, there would be the interactive doubt clearing sessions, right? We have made groups on WhatsApp, we have made groups on Telegram, right? And we would be more than happy to clear your doubts, right? This is very important thing, because doubt clearance is one of the most important thing, and it is a luxury in many institutes. But while you would be doing the coaching in Lubasana IAS Academy, this will help you a lot when you would be clearing your doubt sessions with the mentors or the experts of the Lubasana IAS Academy, right? So this is the way that how you can crack this examination, and this is the way how we would be helping you. First, by covering the syllabus; second, by taking the regular test and evaluating your answers and clearing your doubt sessions, right? So see, we will discuss the syllabus in a separate lecture, right? First of all, what I would suggest to you, that you should download the syllabus from our website lubasanias.com, where we have provided the syllabus of civil services examination. The most important part here is, we did not list down the syllabus just as the other are doing. What we did, we basically made subtopics. We have made subtopics from the syllabus, so that it will provide you a clarity. This will give you a more clarity that what are the topics that you want to you should read, and what are the areas where UPSC is regularly asking the questions, right? So this would be the third thing. Now see, we would be helping you with the video lectures, we would be helping you with the test series, we would be helping you with the doubt sessions, okay, with the regular answer checking, etc. Okay. But this is from our side, because generally at City University also we are providing the coaching, okay, and we are providing this coaching to the students at rupees 60,000. Okay, this is the general package which just include the video lectures, and up to 1.5 lakh, okay, for the entire coaching. Now see, you are getting all these things, right, at a very competitive price, but this is an opportunity in disguise. So you should take the maximum advantage, and do not think that if the price is less for Tripura students, we would be compromising on the quality aspect. We will in no way would be compromising with any of the aspect of your preparation. Even we would be more than happy to help the people, the brothers and sisters of the Tripura, right? So it is indeed an opportunity, a great privileges for City University and Lubasana IAS as well, that now we can help so many youngsters, so many future bureaucrats, okay, in fulfilling their dreams. But from your part, you have to follow the 3 P's. Okay? You have to follow these 3 P's. First is the patience. This is a very important value, very important quality of a civil servant as well, of any officer, right? This should be your quality as well, because okay, within few years you would be dealing with the government accounts, the government projects. Okay, generally government projects are of of long term, okay, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. So patience is very much required, and UPSC CSC examination is also a marathon. It is a long journey, it is a marathon, it is not a sprint, right? You cannot study for 2-3 months and you can clear. This would not happen in any case, right? So this is a long journey. So you should have the patience to understand, to practice rigorously. So first quality would be patience. Second would be persistence. Persistence means even if you are not able to understand any concept at this moment of time, but you must have the courage to put the required efforts, whatever it takes. See, whatever this exam takes, you have to put that much of efforts to clear this journey or to crack the civil services examination, right? The third is the practice. Now, practice makes a man perfect. Okay, if you practice more, you will bleed less in a war. So UPSC is like a war for you people, right? You have to practice a lot, you have to rigorously practice, right? And nobody can stop you in clearing these competitive exams, and you would be getting the rank under top 50, top 100. Okay, so see, these P's are very important: patience, persistence and practice. Along with that, there should be self-motivation. Self-motivation means this is the internal aspect of your motivation. You should not search every time on YouTube, okay, watching the videos of the proper, watching the videos of the officers. Every time you see, if you feel demotivated, you are starting watching the videos on the YouTube. This should not be the case. Okay. So along with self motivation, there should be discipline. Discipline means doing the right things at right time. Discipline means doing the right things at right time. This is very important, right? There are hundreds of aspirants, thousands of aspirants who are unable to crack civil services even after preparing for the period of 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. The thing is, they are lacking self motivation, they are lacking discipline, they are lacking patience, they are lacking persistence. So these qualities will make you an officer. Now see, officer you will not become an officer within a day, and first you will become an officer here. You will become an officer in your mind first, then you will become the officer in reality. So these are the 5 values that you should incorporate in your daily thoughts, in your day-to-day activities. Then it will help you a lot, and it will make your journey a lot more easier, right? It will make your journey a lot more easier if you started enjoying the process itself, the journey itself, and the destination would be more beautiful. if you struggling to enjoy your process, enjoy your journey, then it will make your destination a worst part. Okay, first of all, try to live your journey, try to understand. Don't just think that I am studying history, geography, polity, economics just for the sake of the exam. Just think that you are studying, you are understanding the concept for your overall personality. Whatsoever you would be studying in your UPSC journey, this ideally this should be known by every learned citizen of India. Every learned citizen of India should read the newspaper. They should understand the issues of the society so that they could contribute to the society in a very effective manner. But this is not the case in our Indian society. So basically, again, this is an opportunity using which you can prepare for civil services, and along with that it will make you more learned, more informed, and more informed people can take more informed decisions, right? And the thing is, just keep this formula in mind. R is equal to R. Risk is equal to rise. Okay. More the risk, the more would be the rise. The more the risk, the more would be the rise. If you are thinking that by climbing the Mount Everest, there would be a lot of risk. Okay. But whosoever is taking that risk, they will get a great rise in their life. If you don't want to take risk, just climb some other mountains, right? But it will not give you that much of rise. So, and D is equal to D. Decision is equal to destiny. Decision is equal to destiny. Whatsoever decision you are taking today, it will decide your destiny. So keep in mind these two formulas and just start your preparation. And one more thing here is, with regard to preparation, you can attend the lectures live, you can attend lecture live, but if you could not attend the lecture live, then you can watch the recording. Then you can watch the recording of the classes as well. But this recording of the class will stay for the maximum period of 7 days. For the maximum period of 7 days from the date of upload of that recording. So you will get a maximum of 7 days to saw the lecture. Okay, so you can see the lecture within the period of 7 days, right? So decision will make a decision will sharpen your destiny, and higher the risk, higher is the rise in your life, right? So this is the most important part. Now the thing is, just few more things that I want to share with you people, that now you should start the classes, right? Okay, there would be live classes, and within a week we will provide you the schedule of the classes. Within the week we will provide you the schedule of the classes, and we will share with you the book list as well. We will share the book list as well for each subject. For each subject, right? One by one, we would be sharing with you the details and you can watch the video lectures on student.labasanaIAS.com. student.labasanaIAS.com. So please don't try to record any of the lecture, right, because it is strictly prohibited to record or circulate the content provided by Labasana IAS or City University, right. So here you will get a login ID and password, a login ID and a password where you can sign in and you can watch the lectures as well, right. So regarding the optional subject, we will have a separate session for the optional subject where I will help you to choose an optional subject. There are 5 to 6 criteria using which you should choose your optional subject, right. And second thing here is that you can join the coaching, the offline coaching at City University as well. City University is providing these courses: BA IAS, Bachelor of Arts with IAS coaching, BTech with IAS, BCom IAS, BBA IAS and BCA IAS, right. And you can, take information on the website of the City University regarding the integrated civil services coaching during your graduation. So if anyone want, right, that they want to take coaching of IAS along with your graduation degree in an offline manner, then you can come in City University. You can join any graduation or post graduation course over here, and along with that you can take the coaching as well. Now what I'll do, I'll take your doubts, okay? I'll try my best to clear your doubts as well, and then we can proceed further, right. So if you have any doubts, then you can clarify. I hope I cleared one of the major points, right. I cleared one of the major points or the major doubts that you people had earlier. So please tell me if you have any doubt regarding the strategy, right. Soon we would be sharing with you the details of the faculty members that who would be teaching what, and we will be sharing the book list as well. So see, many are asking what is the meaning of Labasana IAS. Now see, I'll let you know that what is the difference between Labasana and Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration. Now see, generally you people might get confused between Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration. National Academy of Administration, right. Second is the Labasana Educational Services Private Limited. Now see, this is the body of Government of India, right, and their short name or informal name, I would say the informal name is Labasana, okay. Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration. This is their informal name, informal name. So this is in Mussoorie. This is in Mussoorie, Uttarakhand. एंड लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जो ये एकेडमी है, यहाँ पे क्या होता है, आफ्टर यू क्लियर योर एग्जामिनेशन, दैट इज सिविल सर्विस एग्जामिनेशन कंडक्टेड बाय यूपीएससी, यू विल अंडरगो अ ट्रेनिंग इन दिस इंस्टीट्यूट और इन दिस एकेडमी. लाल बहादुर शास्त्री में आपकी क्या होगी, यहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग होगी आफ्टर यू क्लियर, ठीक है, आफ्टर यू गॉट अ रैंक इन सिविल सर्विस एग्जामिनेशन, राइट. नो सेकंड थिंग इज लबासना एजुकेशनल सर्विसेज प्राइवेट लिमिटेड is a private limited company which is registered under the central government of India. Second thing, we have a registered trademark of Labasana IAS. Labasana Educational Services Private Limited is providing coaching for so many exams, be it SSC, be it banking sector, be it railways, be it police competitive exams, or be it any other state services exam. But Labasana IAS, the branch of Labasana Educational Services Private Limited, is exclusively focused on the civil services, that is, you know, conducted by the UPSC. Okay, that is conducted by the UPSC. So we have a registered trademark under the Trademark Act, okay, Trademark Act of 1999 under the central government of India. So this is our registered trademark and this is our registered company name, right. So don't, you know, get confused between the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration and Labasana Educational Services Private Limited, right. So there may be a similarity in the informal name of Lal Bahadur Shastri, but this is their informal name. They never said that their name is Labasana, okay? But Labasana is our formal name. Labas means generally the uniform. Labas, right? And then later on, we you know, when we searched this name Labasana, Labas was registered. Okay? Labas trademark was already registered, so we registered a Labasana. Okay? Labasana. So please don't get confused between Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration and the. So basically others are asking question that whether it would help you in Tripura Public Service Commission examination as well. Yes, definitely. More than 80% of your syllabus would be covered under this coaching for TPSC as well, Tripura Public Service Commission as well, right? Their state, you know, PCS. Yes, okay. And we will help you in covering another 20% as well. What we will do, we will provide you the previous year questions paper as well. We would be providing so many free material to you people also, right? We are providing, you know, the free materials to other students or paid students, right? So what we will be doing, we would be uploading the free material on our website and in our Telegram channel as well. So you will get the access, okay, of the free material as well. So one question is, if we miss the class, then you can watch it in the student portal. Yes, we will share with you the book list as well. ठीक है। सो जो ड्यूरेशन होगी जो क्लासेस की, ठीक है, जनरली 10 to 11 मंथ्स की क्लासेस होंगी, एंड वी विल यू नो कंप्लीट द सिलेबस विद इन द पीरियड ऑफ 1 year बिफोर योर एग्जाम, ठीक है, बिफोर 1 month ऑफ योर एग्जाम वी वुड बी you know completing your syllabus. Yes, during live classes you can ask questions, right, and we would be more than happy to clear your doubts. If we could not clear your class your doubts during our online session, then you can clear your doubts after the class as well. So see, one question is, if someone start from standard book, does NCERT reading is required? No. So see, if you are comfortable in any one of the subject, for example, you did graduation or post graduation in political science, then you do not need to read the NCERTs of polity from 6 to 12. And I will tell you that which NCERT to be read and what are the pages and all this stuff, okay, so that you should not waste your time, okay, reading the unnecessary stuff. Generally there would be 4 to 5 classes a week. So see, some of our students have got very good rank as well, right, and we have all India rank 8 as well in 2019, okay. We have collaborated with many other institutes as well, whose expert faculty would be teaching you people also, okay. We have very good result in state civil service examination as well. Yes, I'm seeing your doubts. Please be patient because there are so many doubts. So see, this will help you in IAS 2021 as well, 2022, 2023, 2024. In any year, if you want to appear, that this will definitely help you. Just for the coming years, you have to put some efforts on the current affair classes. Okay. Throughout your life, you would be, you would need this, coaching for once only. So see, under this coaching, you will get the video lectures, right? We will provide you some of the PDFs, okay, and the test series and all the other stuffs like answer writing practice facility, the doubt session clearing facility. But for books, okay, you have to manage. Yes, along with the classes, we will provide you the mentorship as well. Okay. Now, within a week, we will clarify that what is the exact date of the session and what would be the first subject, right? And I will share the list of books as well. So see, we are providing you the scholarship in kind only, not in cash. Do you understand? We are not providing you the money, we are providing you the coaching. So basically, the medium of the coaching would be bilingual. We would be providing you the coaching in English and Hindi, right? The notes we would provide in English only, ठीक है. If you want to write your paper in Hindi, then you can translate these notes on your own. No, we will provide the test only in online manner only. Offline test नहीं होंगे. Offline कुछ भी नहीं होगा for the time being. Yes, Paramita, the coaching would be not free of cost. You would be sort of getting the scholarship, right? Yes, you have to pay only for the registration, and everything others, okay, would be taken care. So basically, students will get the specific email ID and password for our student portal, right? If you could not get the student ID and portal, then we will share it with you people very soon. There would be one class a day, 4 to 5 classes a week. Classes would be held online only, Tanmay. No, Devjit, we are providing the notes only in English only. The duration of the class would be around 1.5 an hour or 2 hours at max. Dibya, after registration, you will not pay a single penny for the coaching. Sagar, we are committing only for the online classes, but we will consider for offline classes as well. But we are not promising anything right now. Yes, we will provide you the newspaper in our Telegram channel as well. The last day of registration is the 20th of June. Yes, we will provide you the book list as well. We will provide you the schedule as well. We will Saripan Datta, I will let you know that how we would be evaluating your answers and when the answer writing practice would be started. No, Sagar, this coaching is only for general studies for the time being. In future, we may consider for the optional subject as well, and then we will let you know that for how many subjects we are providing the coaching. At this moment, we are committing only for the general studies, be it prelims, be it mains, and along with that, we would be providing you the guidance for interview as well. Yes, yes. We will help you in interview practice as well. No, Vikranta, optional subject की class नहीं होगी. No, Tushar, there is no any hidden fee except registration. But I already told you that I will provide you the list of the NCERT and the standard books, etc. And for these, you would be bearing the cost. If you like, you can purchase, otherwise you can go for our notes only. And notes would be, our class notes would be free, and we would be dictating these notes in the class itself. Tanmay Das, there is as such no scholarship in cash. Okay? You have already taken the scholarship. If you are joining these classes, then you have already taken the scholarship. Paramitra, yes, we will add you into the group as well. We have made WhatsApp groups as well as Telegram groups. For Telegram, you can join. We will Deepshika, we will share the timing of the class within a week. Panther, I am a BTech graduate. If you want to know my qualification, I am a BTech graduate, but I have around a decade, okay, a decade of experience. I am in this field for the period of 10 years. I started my preparation in 2010. Yes, Satyajit Roy, we would be providing you the link of NCERT books as well, right? We would be providing you the PDFs of books as well. Okay? If any book is available in the PDF form, then we would be more than happy to share with you people. No, Sagar, we cannot, keep classes for the period of 1 year. Right? More people would be more lethargic. They would be thinking that yes, we have the classes, we can watch it at any time. So they would not be serious. And there are certain restrictions on the student portal as well. Okay, it will slow down our student portal as well. So basically what we are doing, we are making an interview board every year, right? So this will help you. Okay, so we we would be inviting so many civil servants, etc., the experts. Those experts would be helping you during your interview as well. Yes, Debashiri, we would try our best to provide you the PDFs of the concerned topics. Yes, Shripandatta, after the advanced level, there would be interview sessions. Savroop Adhikari, it will depend on your rank, on your category, right? IPS बनने के लिए कितना रैंक ऐसे मतलब नहीं वो देखती. It will depend on the vacancies, it will depend on your rank, it will depend on your category, right? There are so many things that they are considering. For the live class, we will share the platform very soon. Within a week, we will provide you the exact platform that we would be providing you classes on Zoom, Google Meet, or on this platform only. If anyone could not, Baishali, if anyone could not join the live class, then they can see the lecture on the student portal. I already cleared. The last date is for the registration for the last date for the registration. Yes, I already told it is the 20th of June. No, Vivekananda Majumdar, we will not provide you the study material in a hard copy, only soft copies would be there. You can buy your printer and you can print all the material. No, Sanam, whatever study material we would be providing, it would be free of cost. If you want to buy something else from the market, then it's your choice. Yes, Devjit Datta, I am from Punjab. We are helping our brothers and sisters from Tripura. We will share the book list within a week. Yes, we will help you in essay writing as well. But this will, start after the preparation of 6-7 months. Then you would be able to write any essay. At this moment, it will, it will not help you as much it should. Yes, yes. I will let you know, Prasanjit, regarding the next class. To see, whatever I will tell you, whatever, right? This would be more than enough to clear this exam. I have cleared prelims, I have cleared mains as well, right? So I know how you can clear, right? I'll help you, don't worry. There are so many experts in our team. Okay? So many experts who have already appeared in the civil service examination. Okay? There are so many experts who are already in the service. Those will also help you that how they cleared and joined the services. Yes, Prasanjit Gop, we have made a WhatsApp group, and we will add you in that group. Please keep a decorum in the WhatsApp group, keep discipline. Otherwise, we will take strict action. Okay? We only want the serious aspirants. We don't want 400, 500 aspirants, okay, including non-serious. We just want the 50, 60 serious aspirants who can put so many efforts, and they are more than willing to clear this examination in their very first attempt. We will provide you the, we will help you in optional subject book list as well, but at a later stage. Okay, Sanam, no issue. If you already purchased some books, you can start your journey for the time being, and we will help you to provide you guidance, a more concrete direction. No issue, Prasanjit. You can still watch the recording of this lecture. This will help you a lot. No offline classes, Poonam Paul. There will only be online classes. So see, Atanu, okay, please forgive me if I am pronouncing anyone's name wrongly, because I am basically from Punjab. It is very difficult, okay, but I would like to understand your culture as well. Okay, I am very keen. And the thing is, your question is, sir, is there any physical requirement for candidates of the CSC? Generally, for any uniform service, there is physical requirement. For others, we have to see, okay, depending on the service. Devjit Datta, just first focus on the lectures, and then we will focus on the main center and interview center, please. It's my humble request. First focus on the classes and material. Don't now focus on the interview. Don't now focus on the mock interviews of the toppers, etc. It will waste your time. Nothing else. Nothing concrete will. It will demotivate you only, because at this moment you know nothing. Right? You are starting from scratch. So I will suggest you to focus on your preparation first. This is the first step. Don't waste your time on making strategies. Don't focus on YouTube. Okay. Yes, Krishna, you can if you already have your material, you can start reading those material. Okay, if you want our help, we would be more than happy. Yes, Sandeep Malla. Okay, this will definitely help you. Definitely, even if you are appearing after 2025, this will help you. Definitely help you. Yes, yes, we will, Ishita, we will otherwise help you in optional as well, but we are not committing anything right now, because We don't want to under deliver anything. Brigitte, Paul, we will discuss regarding the classes. So I think I am getting the questions, same questions again and again, and this is sufficient for today, right? So if you have any doubt, we will discuss in other sessions as well, right? So thank you for your patience, thank you for your time, right? We will help you in making notes as well, don't worry. Thank you so much for your cooperation, for your patience. Yes, Atanu, we will do that. It was a wonderful session for you people. You had a great patience to learn all these stuff. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much, all of you.